The AKG P120 Project Studio Condenser microphone is one of the most affordable and best XLR microphones built for home studios, especially at this price point. The AKG P120 has a self-noise level of 19 decibels compared to its older sibling, the AKG P220, which has a self-noise level of 16 decibel. If you go for the more expensive Rode NT1, the self-noise level is going to be at 4 decibels. Only get a couple of documents, manual and a warranty card in the box. The AKG P120 condenser microphone is absolutely best for home recording studios. The sound accuracy and versatility offer the ability to record both vocals and instruments, which can be widely useful in the studios. You can use it for streaming or as a gaming microphone, and you can use it as a performance mic as well. One disadvantage is that you don't really get any accessories along with this mic. There is no pop filter or a shock mount in the box. The build quality of the mic and the mic holder is extremely high though. The pros: it's a very affordable mic, built well and has a good sound reading. The cons: it has a loud self-noise level and does not come with any accessories. These are the technical specifications of the mic. It is a balanced XLR type of mic and requires an external audio interface to send the digital signals into your DAW. It's a cardioid pattern condenser microphone, so the sensitivity is mostly at the front. The overall build quality is excellent and the sound quality is yet to be tested. Thank you for watching.